Hello everyone, it's my honor to have this demo for us. Our product Kubestar is an enterprise-level distributed container infrastructure management platform, which supports multi-cloud and a bunch of user-friendly observability tools. And our engineer team have years of research and develop experience in cloud-native ecosystem. Let's get started. Welcome to Kubestar. First of all, we have to log in by username and password. You can register. Firstly, LDAP will be supported next month. The first page shows the whole resource usage dashboard, including resource overview, per cluster resource usage. We can also see the overview of CPU, memory, disk, as well as ports in each cluster. Every cluster here is bound to this user. We can see the user information of CPU, memory, disk, port, as well as the number of applications by different type, and the total number of ingresses and ports. Meanwhile, node information also can be seen on this dashboard, including total node name, status, and the usage of CPU, memory, ports of each node. In right upper corner, we can set user profile, like password and email receipt. Also, we can see international menu and language settings. It's very useful and convenient for global users. In left upper corner, there is navigation, fast creation and collections channel. Kubestar is designed for different roles, like developer, operator, and project owner, and we believe different roles get interested in different information. So we divide 6 dimensions of your Kubernetes clusters. Most developers care much about application publish and running status. So we can see there is an application interest, and operators are often busy working on application endpoint, DNS, resolution issues, load balancers, cluster health status, and resource utilization, configurations, and storage solutions. So there are several entrances including service, ingress, clusters, config map, secret, and persistent volumes. Now take application for example. If we want to get more information of different kinds of applications, click corresponding tab to the list. Actually, there are 4 types of application totally, such as deployments are suitable for stateless application, like common web servers. Stateful site aims at stateful tasks, like database, message queue, or any other application who need unique data identities. The other crawl drop and demo site are used for scheduled tasks and demo tasks, respectively. Let's take deployment for example. Here you can search by application name, namespace, and labels. Firstly, we can get the application resource usage dashboard. These graphs are resource-centric. Different color refers to different port lifecycle. We also can get more details such as port, service, config map, secret, persistent volume claims. Meanwhile, basic information of this application can be seen on the right side. What's more, we can refresh or click this application up to the real circumstance. Also can do more operations, such as update application image, roll back to previous version, manual scaling and auto scaling setup, hot fix and delete. Either operation will be accomplished in seconds. Meanwhile, for other type of application is also. In related resource type, we can click port name and go to port description page. We can see here is port status transfer graph and common resource utilization graph. Kubestar provides 2 kinds of monitoring perspective. The first one is historic trend, like port average utilization and network traffic in last 3 minutes. Port used memory. The second is real-time monitoring. Every graph in this page is at the same time scale, so they are linked. Detailed metrics include group limits, memory cache, and page faults. It helps fix a performance issue that one of our customers' payment service met. In next page, show container details. We can easily access to container runtime console log. Kubestar provides a Linux bash style web terminal for troubleshooting. Go back to previous page. We can find there is an external service endpoint on service type. Click this link. We can access to this WordPress blog. The type of application description is events. Every operation will produce a series of events. Events could be used for alerting and replay. Now, here comes ingress entrance. We can think out a linked graph of different domains. It means there are 4 domains managed by default ingress. This graph is now still under developing, and more traffic routing nodes will be added. So it will look like an end-to-end network display from external load balancer to internal serving ports. Both config map and secret are made up of application configuration information. No matter it is database host and user credentials or basic components address, they could be mounted into port internal directory, and the difference between them is secret will be encrypted, stored in Kubernetes. Most applications that need storage will need some persistent volumes. The application developer claims a persistent volume by creating persistent volume claim, and the operator then creates that persistent volume according to the claim. Kubestar now supported 2 kinds of persistent volume, including AWS EBS and NFS. More storage backends like Ceph and Cluster FS are gonna be supported. As a multi-cloud control plan, Kubestar supports several common cloud providers. We could find all clusters managed by current user, cluster CPU, memory, disk, and port utilization dashboard could be seen on cluster description page. Kubernetes work nodes are related resource to cluster, so we can see all worker nodes of each cluster. Not only display its status and resource information, but also we can click node name and access to node description page. There is still a node resource display with advanced metrics like inode utilization and network bandwidth. The last dimension is namespace, which could be mapped to either project team or a department in different practice. Kubestar provides namespace resource quota and access control. All of these resources could be created in fast encryption channel. Kubestar simplifies Kubernetes use and learning, which endeavors to think out a new application model for description, features of application and operation. Users of Kubestar could be set as administrator, and only administrator have privileges to edit user profile, add new cluster and registry. EKS, GKE, Alibaba Cloud EKS, and on-premise Kubernetes cluster are supported. Meanwhile, ECR, GCR, and Docker registry like Harbor are also supported. Above is everything of Kubestar now. As we see, Kubestar is a multi-cloud control plane with user-friendly observability tools. Furthermore, Kubestar is a young product. Such features as cloud-native monitoring, alerting, Kubernetes-native resources, multi-tenancy billing service, and service mesh are coming in next months.